Lily, you want to put your food in the refrigerator? You want to put it in the refrigerator till tomorrow? Huh? Do you? You want me to put it in the fridge till tomorrow? We can put it in till tomorrow. Lily, you want me to put your food in the refrigerator? We can save it. You don't need to get sick. Lily, shall we put it in the fridge? Lily, are you sure? Lily, are you sure you... I'll put it in the fridge. Do you want me to put it in the fridge? Lily? Lily? We can save it till tomorrow. Are you sure? Don't get sick. Here, I'll put it in the fridge. Let's put it in the fridge till tomorrow.